Hey guys, in today's video I'm doing this Minnie Mouse inspired wreath that I was able to purchase all the materials from my local Dollar Tree and Dollarama, and I was inspired by Pinterest with this Minnie Mouse ornament, and it's so easy to do and really cute for the upcoming holiday season. So I wanted a white styrofoam wreath, and I'm so happy that Dollar Tree is carrying these. This is a smaller one, but it's perfect for where I'm going to be putting it. And then you want some type of bulbs. I'm going with this with these glitter silver ones. That's the look I want for my Minnie Mouse. And then I also picked up these mirrored ornaments from Dollarama. I really like that this will be super easy for the ears of my Minnie Mouse ornament. And then I picked up 2 8-feet packs of white garland because I really want a full wreath, and these ones I really like because it's white and then it has the little snowflakes as well on them, and they were super affordable. And I also want some little bows, and the red one is what I'm looking at. So let's get into the video. You want to make sure you have some type of glue. Glue gun works best, and instead of the mirrored balls, you could use these type of glitter small ornaments. Anything will work fine for the ears, and these ones I got were plastic and easy to cut off the tip. Now all I'm doing is actually just very small amount of glue right on the styrofoam wreath, just a small amount because I don't want to melt it, and I'm just pressing and holding for a few moments, and then all I'm going to do is wrap the entire amount of garland around the styrofoam wreath, and that is it. That's all you have to do to get your wreath to where you want it to be. It can't be any easier, seriously. And it really just depends on how full you want your wreath. I want it really full, hence why I went with 2 packages, and I think at the end it looks really good, nice and full. But again, you can make it how full or less full that you want it to be. And you can see here I've used 1 full garland bundle, and then I'm going to get the second one, and then again just attach a small amount of glue and then wrap the remaining around the styrofoam itself. Now, when it's all wrapped around, I'm just kind of going around and just making sure I'm filling in any gaps, because the beauty of it being a white styrofoam is that you won't see it, and hence why I loved this wreath. I usually see the green ones, but I was glad to see white. And then I'm just putting a little bead of glue at the top. You're not even going to see it, so this works out perfect. And that is it for your wreath. It couldn't be any simpler, guys. And it's so nice and full. I think it's really, really so darn cute. And that looks like a little snowflake pattern inside. Now, you can leave it like this, which I'm going to do, or you could add whatever embellishments you want. You could add ribbon, tie a bow around it, wrap ribbon. It really just is what you want it to be. Now, to actually make my Minnie Mouse ornament, I'm just going to use 1 of the larger bulbs with 2 of the smaller ones. That is it to make your ornament, and just to glue them together. This is all I want to do to embellish my wreaths. Very, very simple, but yet super cute. And I just think the glitter silver bulb with the 2 mirrored ones are going to look so darn cute. And all I'm doing is removing the thread that's at the top, because you don't need that, and I want as less amount of thread as possible. Now, for the main part of the body of Minnie Mouse, just keep that ornament hanger attached, and I'm just putting a good dollop of glue right directly on the ornament that's going to be for the ears. And I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not measuring, I'm not taking a ruler or anything. I'm just kind of looking at where the ears would sit well, and I'm actually pressing and holding this for about 20 to 30 seconds, as it takes a little bit longer for the glue to set. And I actually even blow on it a little bit, and then you're good to go. So this is how my ornament looks. You could keep it like this. You really could do so many different things with your ornament, but because I want it to be more of a Minnie Mouse inspired looking ornament, I'm going to then add the adorable red bow on it. And all I did was, this part got cut out from my camera and I apologize for that. I just cut the back of the little bit of that bow and I put a little bit of glue on the back, and then I just pressed it on top where in between the two ears. And I apologize that this actually got cut off and wasn't recorded, so my apologies, but it was super simple, and this is how Minnie Mouse looks. I just think it's so darn cute. And then all I'm going to do is decide where I want to place my ornament and put a bunch of glue on the back of it, and then just press and hold. I did again for about 20 to 30 seconds on the wreath just to make sure it was secured, and then that is it. It's just as simple as that, and it couldn't be any cuter. Now this is how my wreath looks. As I said, you could add as little or as much as you want. I wanted it really quite simple. I just wanted the wreath and then the ornament. That's all I wanted, and I just think it is seriously so cute. I really love the little mirrored ornaments for the ears. I just think it goes so cute with the silver glittery ball that I used. I don't know, all of it looks so adorable together. And then I actually ended up putting it in my beauty space on the small wall that you don't really see too much, and it's really tough to get good lighting to really show how adorable. You can kind of see the lighting is reflecting off of the snowflakes and almost like a pink purple look, which I really like the iridescence of the snowflakes. And then it fits perfect for where my brushes are that I have in my little shelf. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial, how simple and easy it is to do your own Disney inspired wreath. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.